Call from her school? Why are they calling me now? Hello?
Hello sir, we are calling from your kid's international school. Are we speaking to the parent?
Yes, this is the parent speaking.
Sir, this is a reminder call for the upcoming fee payment of rupees 3 lakhs.
I am aware of that. Do I need to pay like right away or do I have some time?
No sir, you don't need to pay anything. It has been taken care.
What?
Yes sir, the fee is already paid.
Is this a prank? This is definitely coming from the school. I have the saved number. Man, how is this possible? Oh my god, this is a bonus jackpot, dude. अरे रुको यार. Now why is the bank calling me? Hello?
Hello Mr. Sriman, this is Rajesh from the bank. Your upcoming home loan EMI is 50,000 and it is due on 15th July.
No, don't worry. This time definitely the payment will be done on time.
No sir, don't worry about it. It's been taken care.
It's been taken care by whom? Hello? What the hell is going on, bro? Why is everyone calling me at the same time? Hello?
Sir, we are calling from the Total Internet Services. You have an upcoming payment of 10,000 yearly plan.
Yes. Are you also paying my bills?
Sir, yes, we wish to inform you that the bill has already been cleared and you don't need to pay anything, sir. Thank you, sir.
Am I in a dream? Let me... Come close. We have to talk something very important. All this sounds so unreal, right? Your EMIs, your bills, your kids' education, the major chunk, your debts, home loans, everything is taken care of. But no, unfortunately that doesn't happen. But that's okay. That's how life is. Your life is all about achieving things, working towards making a good family, your child's education. And there's a different high when you provide yourself and your family with a great life. But did you ever wonder what is your worth? Let me tell you, your worth is not your bank account. What is your mutual fund portfolio? What car are you driving? No, not at all. Your worth is you. I mean, I wish only good and we all have a long healthy life. But let's be practical as well. It might definitely sound scary, but imagine for a second your family without you. Accept it or not, you're not your family's only moral support, but you're also their financial support. Imagine something happens to you. No, the school will not stop calling just because you're not there anymore. The calls will definitely come for the fee. The bank will definitely not stop calling just because something happened to you. The internet bills, the grocery bills, the fuel, all this will not stop just because you don't exist anymore. The home loan should be paid. Your kids' education should keep going on. Life keeps going on for the ones who are still alive, right? Did you ever think about it? Or you're just living being ignorant towards all these facts? Guys, you already got the point, right? Trust me, the value that you will provide to your family, even without your existence, that is something that actually gives your family, it gives some invaluable strength. It is going to give you more confidence to live your life the way you want, because you already created a safety net for your family. In case something bad happens to you, there's a safety net. So without any second thoughts, no argument on this, okay? Go chup chap, get a term insurance for your family. All the debts, all the bills, all the groceries, all the fuel bills, nothing will stop. They have to continue their life. All these days they could enjoy that life because of you. That's your worth. And talking about term insurance, these days a lot of people, they're getting wrong advice and they're buying ULIPs. It's basically a term insurance plan plus an investment. I wouldn't do that if I were you. I'll tell you why in a minute. But I know first your question in your mind is, Sriman, you told us all of this, you scared us now. What term insurance should we get? I don't know. You get in touch with your own wealth advisor, or definitely your friends, your circle, someone you can find who can advise what is a perfect term insurance for your lifestyle. But like I've suggested before as well, I tried out Ditto Insurance and they do a really good job. I mean, they are not selling you any insurance first thing. Ditto is the most trusted insurance broker in the country with a 4.9 star Google rating with over 25,000 plus ratings. So basically Ditto has insurance advisors where you can book a free call. You can pick your own convenient date and time, and after you explain each and everything about yourself, they will suggest you, they will guide you. Like I said, they are the experts for insurance, and each and every insurance advisor, they are all IRDAI certified. They are not some random insurance agent trying to hit a sales target. Not at all. They will never spam you. They're trained to understand your situation, and their advice is totally unbiased. They understand your age, your income, your liabilities, your family size, you and your family's lifestyle, and then they'll exactly tell you how much cover do you actually need. Not more, not less. Because most of the time this is the problem that is happening when people are buying a term insurance. They either buy too little or too much. These both are wrong. Proper advisor will tell you how much do you actually need, and they also don't just disappear after you buy the insurance. If you ever need to file a claim, I hope it doesn't happen, because this is the only place where you don't want to claim your insurance, because only if something bad happens you need insurance to be claimed, right? In case you have to do it, Ditto's team walks you through the entire process, from documentation to follow up to making sure your family is not left alone during a claim process. They deal with all the paperwork at the most difficult time of their lives. Think about it. The whole point of a term insurance is to protect your family when you're not there. But what good is it if your family doesn't know what to do, how to claim, all these things, right? Ditto makes sure that doesn't happen. Unfortunately, as humans, we don't feel the need for all these things when we are alive, when everything is going good. But only the smart ones, the matured ones, will understand these later ka things when you're not there. People who can predict the future and get into the practicality of it, they do these changes in their lives. Approximately around 8 lakh plus people have taken Ditto's advice, and they've been backed by Zerodha's founders like Nikhil and Nitin Kamath. So you know the credibility is real. And in this video, if you think a little that yeah, I think I have to consider what Sriman is saying, don't let that thought just pass by night. Okay, take action. Book a free call with all this advice. Anni Japan till now that advice is free. They'll guide you step by step, do all this. All this is for free. It's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment. Now before closing this video, I have to talk about something called that ULIPs. Something that most of you might have already been sold. In fact, I bought into that in 2021 and 2024 or 25, I think I closed it. Typically, the moment you walk into a bank or meet a relative who's an insurance agent, most of these agents, they push one thing: buy a ULIP or a money back plan. And I get it. It sounds amazing. I also bought into it. Sir, you pay the premium, your family is protected, and you also get returns in the end. Best of both worlds. See, what is a ULIP? It's basically you're buying a term insurance plus the remaining amount goes into a fund, an investment. It's a good thing, right? Your money is also, you're getting a term insurance and you're also getting an investment option. The problem is a lot of this chunk is eaten away by a lot of other unknown secret charges. There's fund management charges, policy administration charges, premium allocation charges. The list keeps going on. By the time your actual money that has to be invested and has to reach the market, it's already significantly reduced. And obviously returns are market linked, which means they can obviously go up and they can come down as well. The worst part is you're locked in for at least 5 years, and compare that to a term plan. You can get a 25-year-old plan of around 1 crore worth for as little as 700 or 900 rupees per month. And also Ditto recommends this: keep insurance and investment completely separate. You have to get a term plan for protection while investment for growth. Both are important. With straight mutual funds, you can choose your risk appetite, you can redeem when you need it, so have complete transparency of where your money is going. And historically, returns have been much superior to any ULIP net returns after charges. This is what I like about Ditto. I mean, you try it out, you tell me next video, you can come and tell me in the comments, Sriman, what you suggested was wrong, Ditto is bad. Tell me if they are wrong. I think they are one of the most trusted ones when it comes to insurance advisory and all. They do everything unbiased. They will only educate you, they will guide you about which is the best insurance for your profile. If you think it makes sense, go with their suggestion, or actually you can take the entire suggestion from them, and you can also buy the insurance from anywhere else, but at least take the free advice from Ditto. Once again, the link is in the description and also in the pinned comment. These days I appreciate the young generation, specifically 25 to 35 ka age group. They're open to learning such things because so much of social media information is also there these days at the tip of your hands, whether it's diets, nutrition, health, sleep cycles, all this they're learning. This kind of information was not available to this generation, right? So whatever generation it is, I think you should get a good term insurance. Create that safety net so in case you fall nicely inside a net and hang. So let's see you guys in the next vlog.